welcome back to my channel. So sorry I haven't been posting. I've been really busy, and sorry about this popsicle stick that won't come off, and also sorry for the tripod leg showing in the video. But today I have a really special guest.
Made by Mimi. What's up? Anyway, so go subscribe to my YouTube channel and go subscribe to hers. My Instagram is Mariam_7slime. Go follow me. It's private, but like I'll accept you and I'll follow you guys back. And yeah.
So yeah, link for her stuff is in my description. Also, my Instagram is bandmslimez_418, and we have a slime account on Instagram. It is bandmslimez with a Z at the end, and we post slimes on there that we're gonna sell in our future shop soon.
Later on this summer.
Yes.
So anyway, today we're gonna be making some cloud slimes. So without further ado, let's get straight on to this video.
So I already put in the glue, and Mariam said don't put a lot, and
yeah, so I'm just gonna. I don't know.
She's like literally a master at cloud slime layer.
No, stop it. You're good
Yes,
at
you
it
are.
too. Alright, so we're just going to put a little bit because the clouds... Oh,
It's okay.
Okay, we're Gucci. Anyway, so yeah, the Insta Snow will expand the slime and it'll make it like 10 times its size.
I added 1 tablespoon of instant snow to 1/4 cup of water.
Yes, okay. And you guys want it to be like more like the Insta Snow, like not like a wet feeling, but like kind of like a drier feeling, because like if you like make it like all wet, then it's gonna be it's gonna turn into a cloud cream. So like don't don't add too much water, just so you know. Yeah.
So now we are going to activate our slimes, and then we'll get back to you guys when it's done activating.
All right, guys. So now we once we activated our slimes, they're like a little overactivated, as you guys can see. Oh crap. Okay. Anyway, so now we're gonna add in our Insta Snow powder. So like this like batch will only like make like 1 slime, but like since we made ours like a little bit smaller, like it'll actually like fit for both. So yeah, we're just gonna add like a little bit in at a time, and then like we'll get back to you guys when it comes to like a texture. Alright guys, so this is how it should look like during like your first like adding, I guess. So like all we did was like we just kind of cupped it like that. Like we took a little bit more, like that much, and then we just added it to our slime, and then this is how it should look like. It's like kind of like cloud creamy, and then it will start to melt. So you know, just add some activator because we actually had to make a fresh batch. So yeah, so that's how it should look like. We'll get back to you guys like during like our 3rd or 4th.
This is how our cloud slimes turned out. This is how mine turned out. We just did white, and it turned out, mine honestly is like really fluffy and has really good drizzles.
Yeah, it's really good.
That was not satisfying.
Yeah, no, it's harder to do with like the tripod like right in front of her face.
Exactly. But I'll just do one more drizzle so you guys can get the amazing effect of how good
yeah,
this
it's so good.
Okay,
like it doesn't clump that bad like in like real life, but like
right.
Okay. Yeah, anyway, so hers is really good. Mine is really nice
also
too.
really good.
Yes, hers is really nice. Here's the drizzling effects, and it's like really good.
Hers is like, I like hers because it's like the cloud slime, but it's like a little bit creamy.
Yeah,
really nice.
and it feels nice, but it also has the drizzles. Her drizzles are like amazing.
Yeah,
I don't
this
know
is,
what
like,
I
really
did different.
fluffy.
I don't know what I did different.
I think you might have added too much in it.
Yeah, I
But
added.
then like while she was making it, she added in more slime, and like it got better. But
Yeah.
then, but also let this sit for like maybe a day or 2, and it'll get like super duper good.
Yeah, it
Will
will.
be
Trust
like
me.
this drizzle. But
Like
better.
yeah, if your guys' like turns out like really bad, don't be ashamed, and do not add in too much Insta Snow.
Yes, because then that will be like really bad. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Mariam and follow her Instagram. It's in the description. My Instagram is also in the description, and our Instagram, like our Instagram together, is also in the description. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye!